Ombie baba shop okra ombie bida otumi ye doctor EFS ekwaku otin.
Oba we ye no about party we ni ambre we wiatre. Oti abrochi o, oti Virginia to Maryland to DC. We wiatre we ni betene we wia wo fork de ko.
Nipa fun ne kansem fun.
Nkofo ni nam krom ha omo ni nam krom ha e kire wante eyie na watuka pran
obema bie ni wa na dwene mu da ho abre no eye adwuma create jobs create employment zoka be dey sen adwuma okọ nanim ni ade a obeka se me spend time to insult people
ukohwe ne car speedometer car no be bia uhwe mileage na 733,000 no tim on nam highway so na P7 na huda we Jimmy Jimmy party aduane sisia.
This is somebody we are no property onu to me gina ye otumfo. Such a person.
Oba party now man a chance no ate wache no dey plastic no ate kire we ni beti no ate wache na gubo mu okoka na obedi watam enkwase munko fie enkwara ne person mo ba enkwara ne person mo ba abrochi ote na japade nyina ya 4,332 including their retirement benefits na no mo no nkwase akeka. After all these things shede eba no de bia me ka kire o odi minya problem a wona wo problem o many problem. Maybe I make a more problem. No, there are some people are more problem jamming. But what makes it so interesting is that I make their day. So whatever they harbor in their hearts, no, they turn it into blessings. And then Emma me very strong as a person.
Me ya wo me otema general hospital. Oti ya ka se na efia ye di ni fie krase ba even ye di me fie krase ba ade obi nya nipa. Ye di obi fie krase ba onye nipa na. Onka Ghana ho. President mama ya wo no wo bole na odi president no. Ya wo no wo bole e krase e na odi president na. Isi sebi bru na brother Samika nipa fun ne kansem fun. Obema bie ni wa na dwene mu da ho abre no eye adwuma create jobs create employment zoka be dey sen. Adwuma okọ nanim ni ade a obeka se me spend time to insult people. This is somebody we are no property onu to me gina ho ye otumfo. Onipa we to me gina ho ye Quran. Onipa we to me gina ho ye nkranfo. Onipa we to me gina ho ye ochehene. Such a person. Ombie baba shop okra ombie bida otumi ye doctor EFS ekwaku otin. Obi a onim se citric acid kra ye use ekutuo. Onim se citric acid is derived from ekutuo. He is here insulting, praying that obi bewu abroni beye o didi atema. Look at the vim o didi atema.
Ngazangaza nipa also the pirate anthem. Dying. Kwasasema ekoso last time we share a video on TikTok na Professor B or something. It was an event na okase. He still does not understand how a whole continent we can be so foolish. And I was, for a minute, I wasn't really watching. I was listening. Or kind of magical cohort. I say, he has really sat down to watch, like, your continent, you know, as Africa, no. And yes, a party be the Nyanza, and the money be okay. I see you Jimmy. And it's shocking because Sonia Butra send it to me. Be a chabro for easy, like. You already be bad near China, so TikTok Jimmy also. TikTok Sibia Africans pa titu Ghana fwa kamfo gusu omu Jimmy. Utumi wa besriba. We nyini di baby ago. Na mami penyi toto. Usha no ho utumi usha food ma utene honka. Utumi se api ate okwa juma boss guguni bag mu oda ho kra magzam free Ghana twitwe sen na ogina TikTok ma mia besiriwa anka tetene ye ba beje awo anase ye beto akora din a omo no motena fom ne ye de akora ntom na so na omugu TikTok ma mia besiriwa mpenifo na omu Jimmy na ebi sa na ebi je say otibu san na ye Jimmy anasa de oko other race, any other continent, they are using the TikTok for something different. And sometimes you ask yourself a lot of questions that you're like, okay, so why did it happen? Say, ye nyina ya begu Africa ni ye Jimmy. It's I'm talking as an African, and I'm talking as our continent, Nankasa. Because right now, when you go on TikTok and you want to have a good time by laughing the whole day, just go into the Africa section. Na Jimmy abete. Benkasa brofuni being Jimmy. But you see the level of your Jimmy na emphasica ma emphashe ma and contribute to bibia. Diana mi ya ene imbesiriwa no imbesiriwa. Utumi hu obi pa ne nimu ntwentwom. Uti se bibia ye ntwentwom. Utumi se osore anopa na ohram gu so a. Ma 55, 53, 40, 56. Na omugina TikTok sa. Na obi di fufu abesi wo. Na omu dan kitin ti se Jerusalem nkokuo. Jerusalem nkokuo. Da ke bo su kure free. Omu dan mu kitin otuno na na epem dan. Obi e the bathroom and owura the bedroom. Ne dan kitin. Trousers fin bi na da konwa bi so. Obi e ni wa owo TikTok. When we some kuta a couch, a full couch, or demo da, especially Europe for me who say obi full couch, 3-1, 3 here, 2 here. I have a night sit a bit new hot, how much is a boom? I watch it. Oh my Jimmy. Into sometimes no. Into Papa ni kasa me nyabo tell am say Papa no kasa tia Ghana for ye mesiri wani bi Jimmy. O sat you China now the babe to eye Ghana the nan there watra bees. O mwe Jimmy nanka moma nkwara ne nye. Moma nkwara ne nye. Se ma bra wa abrochira mo nko fie. Bibia ni abrochira ma mo 55 for 62. Bibia ni abrochira ma mo biem. Mo muntumi ntwi skate. Mutimi bodogi mwankasa mutimi ko concert engina mo na so 4 hours ade e fere ni je mutimi njibi munko fie nanka munko eyie na mo ajimi munyina munko fie na munko eyie ye hieni pomo ma be eyie omuni me see especially Europe for no sectional couch so 3-1 was here. Yenya another maybe 2-in-1. Yenya another maybe a beautiful center table. Yenya another 2-in-1. Ushe chewa your accent chair biswo. No first a living room. No dining hall. No second. Ebi ni ho. Omuchi she muom to say in kokuo. Kwa siasam. Omuko abrochero makoto akonwa ba akone nsa ba akope right nom da be shekona. Oba na ntade fin bi guso. Depressed old woman. Omuhu fin. Otumi kwa juma 3 weeks na mba fie onware ochebroni basement oche kokko no wedi na otefon so na otie P7 share Kevin Taylor de we jibi de na ne ho kan ne ho kan onya ka fu mi to ebi otwi Datsun anase bi otwi Honda wo se Hyundai wo se den na eyentuma gutuo na kuraba situo na what the boss miensa ka ho mo kufu tantan bi okoto no eye JC Penny mo kufu tantan bi Forever 21 nkura book 17-year-old girls moke Forever 21 na or pre-sales so 17 for $13 na waswegu ka to Jimmy ne wo fi ne wig munya prekase oja. And on Friday, my name is Kevin Akobe. Tell have a wonderful, I know you had a wonderful day. And my team, they give me all the time. And the rules be no, and all the home tia with when all the home tia, we knew who was as so. And the world home better, we knew who was as so. Now, Kofu in them chroma. In them chroma, actually, one take a year. No, it took a prank. Ukoshan the car, speedometer. Car no baby ushe mileage na 733,000 no team on them highways so na P7 na huda we Jimmy de bia ene unto semra we mbreme aya to Medisoft breme aya mon pay de bia na o mixing ku omwe Jimmy ombe wia o party aduane sisia oba party na o man chance no ate wache no dey plastic no achechere kone dem fridge phone tantan bi egu e fridge a e tete fridge bi Panasonic divider no e the freezer handle no too obekọ no wachechere duale sa emponche toilet dey hyehyehye I we dia akomna eyi no ne ma me eyi asem kofa ba yo me ba kwara me refi ye otifie ti se otizu oba we yi no oba party we ni ambre we wi atre oti abrochi o oti Virginia to Maryland to DC we DC kra bodo mo nko we wi atre we ni bete ne we wi awo fork de ko we ni bete ne wate wa che na gubo mu okoka na obedi watam enkwase mo nko fie enkwara ne pese omoba enkwara ne pese omoba abrochi oti ne japade nyina ya 4,332 including their retirement benefits of filing the tax when you $1,200 a year. Of filing the tax when you kesi 1,200. Na no mono kwasi akeka. Ko Germany hone ko hwe. I say mpro. Ko Germany ko hwe. Bogus hu fin pa. Uhu omo krom. Na otina ebi wa otina the car man na opesa wo fi. Ko Germany, Holland ni UK. Okwa broche on one starting the card no di ba sechi omo bra papa bia and so onya wo internet no so na oso TikTok no na omo ko gina internet no se monsam obekire wo kafia omo nyina ha bewu omo agibi emmesiriwa na emu nkokora adena mo boges ni magimi sa especially Germany hono no edi amane na mo hwe no ho Germany amane be na mo hwe no Germany ho a mo amugu Germany no mo bi mo agimi sa eno edi yin omutumi hye suit na jacket bi adi se so odi awma so ko na ku no tan oba wo party na oba woni pre na de wa kire dwane akohye ka boot otumi ne mashada about party midwam one ne mam yensa ba party osia kwabena kwaji jollof esi woso ji banku amanko akam want you go and take coke or you also go and put it in the car no ma first one no aside from you go and take the both fruit on free wo fie ho party ni wie no na wo party bia no wa wie ni nyina de ko okwo se di freezer mo say pro improvisation life ehiafo omano kasa tan Germany for enyo mu nyina na omo magimi no omagimi papa obi ka se papa na obeso o kire tu omagimi tu sa Germany for no bi ewurade nyankopon tema na abrofo no se nka ende nka omo pe nipa acheche omo de omakoye fu anka mo Ghana for bi abuguje na ngosi achi mo koye nkrutu djuma mo agimi ko TikTok no muguso no 401k for no omuti Germany one Holland one omuni insurance bia o yare bo na yese o ma me number yese yen fa nko fie omugumu ti se nwan ede bia yetumofo monte bebregu America ya America ya yeti ko Massachusetts na ko hwe se nka Massachusetts anka ya America kura anka be kwai kwa America opa America kurasi to kurasi baby a Ghana fo kurasi fo gu pa Massachusetts ewurade okwa so mo ye nwan omo bi ewurade nyankopon na omo ti Massachusetts sa capital ho omo gu wuram na nkwase akeka enum kankan kasa wo chechire man no na oti Massachusetts oti abro Massachusetts ya abrochire edan bia ni Massachusetts a ye betumi aton mani padam amu dia ebu fukura na say aka 5 minutes am de ginim dia ebu fu etan kura ne Ohio for oweja kebitela we hu boy we aka so muade kwasiafo be me muade me ka kire fie for no enkofo so titemu Ohio no omukrampo de uyi kokuo na uyi omo a kokuo ho mfaso che omo eyie konkonsa ene kro no omugu Ohio kwam de poyo nka ho me cousins nka ho na sa nkofo no bunim ne Nicaragua fo no I am Tiasia, na first no, no, Ehima, Cecia, you tuna dear so, into the from Poman, I don't know. A year where the young cock, na mbrebia okasatia ya wanti, kwasi some say ya, kwasi some say ya, na so most of my odwan, toy odwan, bidom da kwe, yas no chinase, adia, ye do odwan ba, ebeda, just say, I just oh, you know what Tiasia. Yet the young co, she, young peneda. Kwasi something you didn't look at, I know about international. Kwasi something you didn't look at, no, and no, mammy or desubino, and it about bruchi. Kwasi kika, at 10 year, yeah. Everything is disorganized. Mweja. And the monk one can show tele. Otsele, good evening. Otse, Monsieur Nipa, Jumudi, Jobetman, why you know? I Oborobo. Nina is simple. Omo mujabe pano, I make their day. And when I make their day, what happens is it turns into blessing. Into Debiano. And I pity people who have issues with me. Because Nipa na on what issue, no? Oh no, he's trying everything possible to make other people happy. And a jiweni na obe why you didn't dear woman and a boy with the famount. Yan in your control, Uchedia po kwame, and a diashaya no, and a wish raso, and what we tiko, say yanko cancer pano. Na the padoduana, omwakuma pa. Omunyankwasi ya 47 no, omuntie na yenye day, yen to me and chichere mino. Until your anger is going to kill you. Your hatred is going to kill you. The pain you have in your heart, it will kill you. Whatever you have against me. And the most interesting thing is, all the people who hate me, I am doing better than them. It's a fact. All the people who don't like me, I am doing better than them. My life is better. I have achieved more than them. And they cannot show you they can't. So why do you envy somebody who is doing better than you? I just want to ask, why do you sit and say, I hate this person? Abraham Nipane is doing better than you. You always have to hate people that you have something better they don't have. You always have to make sure, say, who hatred, what direction, to a place where at the end of the day, say hatred, in Fasobe. But you are hating me. You can't do what I do. I can leave this platform for 2-3 months. You people cannot do what I do. And the reason why whatever I do, it is not by my own strength. This is mine. God gave it to me. The way I the talent, it is from God. I can sit here, decide not to tackle any issue. I can still talk for 4 hours and people will still listen. You know why? Because it is not me. It is the will of Allah. It is open say, o contest to be to say Cristiano Ronaldo. And I said, Lionel Messi. You need to understand the say, dear Onyamedi be their channel, no. So the one case who didn't say the prayer, it will go against over bread. And then you end up having nothing. And that is what you people don't know. So I pity a lot of people who think, let me compete, Kevin. You can't compete, Kevin. Because if you try to compete, Kevin, that means you are competing God. Don't do that. Don't ever try to compete God. Because God specially made the other man no say, me, udimi jina football musa memboa, me adie, but mean to me yet is a Messi. There's no way I have to envy Messi or Ronaldo. No, that is them. God gave it to them. There are millions of footballers on this planet, but they are unique. That is what some of us we are. We are not bragging because we believe in what Nyamedia Maya. That is why we are comfortable and confident in what we do. Inti, you can do the same thing I do, but try and be yourself. Try and have some focus. Try and let people understand who you are. But if you try to say, I want to be like Kevin Taylor, I want to do the same thing he does. I want to set up the way he's set up. I want to speak. You get it wrong. You lose yourself. You will lose it. So don't try to be like Kevin Taylor. Don't try to present like Kevin Taylor. Don't try to sound like Kevin Taylor. Don't try to imitate what I do. You won't survive it. Because from the day I was called by Onyankopon Oborobu, Ephraim, he told me, be yourself, be your own man, do what I have told you to do. Do not copy anybody. My show, my show where Amaya Bedru and I've never copied anybody on this planet. Whatever you see comes naturally. Whatever you experience when you come on my show, it comes naturally. And that is God-given gifts. And I really appreciate, and I'm always humble to the Almighty Allah, because a few people on this planet are privileged to be given exceptional qualities and talent. And so if today I sit here and there are so many platforms around the world, but you are glued, you get some excitement in your heart, you feel some truth has been told, you feel people or this guy is basically educating us, opening my eyes, and you feel very appreciated, or you're appreciative of what I'm doing. That is what Jesus Christ and share people like us. So you see, sometimes I can make you sad. I can make you sad through the message I sent to you. Sometimes I make you very happy, very excited. You forget about your problems. Sometimes I inspire you from the things I say from here. Sometimes you get to know, you learn different things that along the way you could have learned, but you didn't even see it. Sometimes you get serious with me because you believe, say, there were some things I was supposed to say it in a certain way. I did not say it that way. And that is what people who have been gifted by Almighty Allah, that is what they represent. I'm a mixed bag talent. There's nothing here that I do on Fridays, on whatever days that has been rehearsed. Nothing. Everything that comes out from my mouth is natural. But there are people who sit and rehearse. You don't do that. You don't envy people who are gifted by Allah. You don't do that. And the more you do that, it destroys you. It keeps some pain in your heart. It physically destroys you. You both say, oh yeah, bema now your ba now babrewa. Oh yeah, bema so now ba kokra. You cannot be yourself. You cannot naturally be yourself. And most of you people who are trying to be like me or trying to, you see, you are derailing. There's something missing. I can see the depression. There's some happiness missing. And that is what you are missing. Find your happiness. Because I find my happiness every time I turn on or sit here or turn on cameras to basically speak to people. That is where my happiness is. My joy is what I do. This is my joy. You pick my family, you pick my joy, my job. I am happy. So be happy. Yao is in your heart. It is not going to help you because I am richer than you. I am handsome than my wife is beautiful than you. I have great savings. I've planned my life. What about you? But there are some things that we need to address, very important. Yesterday we spoke on the gold board issue, and Honorable Ni Lante Vanderpoel, the issue about up, and it's got to do with a statement he made after Sami Jemfi reacted to Afenyoma King's attacks, malignment, or whatever you want to call it, deliberate misinformation and disinformation about he himself and the gold board as an institution. And yesterday, the former Ododio constituency MP, Ni Lante Vanderpoel, was on TV. He made some comments. Majority of the people in the NDC and also in Ghana felt he was supposed to be a little bit cautious. And I say cautious in a very humble way. Those words he made, or those statements he made, did not go well, and we all reacted. In fact, I know it wasn't his intent to make those statements. A lot of people got very furious, especially his own party people. They felt that in the middle of these heated issue, the statement he'd made wasn't the right time to make that statement. But there's one thing I can tell you. This man went back, reflected on the statement he made, and as an honorable man, came out to apologize for his actions. The most important thing is for a man to understand he faulted. And that does not take anything from him. It does not take his credibility from him. It does not take whatever he has achieved in his life from him. It shows there are people out there who are willing to let people understand when I falter, when maybe I miscommunicate. I am human, and at the end of the day, I can apologize. This man has apologized for his statement, which so many people, especially his NDC followers and base, were not happy about. And we would like to say we really appreciate and respect this apologies. We know from his experience, such things would never be repeated. So for myself, we actually spoke on this matter yesterday. I also want to say we really respect his apology. We respect the respect he has shown to every single person who had an issue with what he said. So from Loud Silence Media, we actually reacted, and we would like to say apology has been accepted. It shows maturity, and from today we move on as a people. And I believe that Ghanaians, the NDC, people who, like this man, have followed him throughout his political life, they will also understand that there are matured people amongst us, and when they offend and sincerely come out to apologize, it's very important we let it go and move on. So, Ni Lante Van Der Poel has done the right thing, and then we also have to understand we applaud him for what he has done. The NDC is a party that is filled with people with discipline. When they falter, they understand, they believe, and they apologize. And that is what he has done.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.